Hello, welcome to my channel Tidbits of Unoya. Today I am going to show you this mask for our babies. So this is the mask which I am going to introduce to you. It has a down portion which covers baby's nose till the neck, a netted portion that covers your baby's eyes, and a top and a back support back with the elastic, so that goes around your baby's head, and two strings to tie as a second precaution. So the fabric required to make this mask is a 10-inch square piece. So how I took the measurement is from the center of the nose of your baby till ears. My baby's measurement was around 4 inch. I have added 1 inch extra on both sides so that it can be folded up and the string can pass through. So ultimately the measurement will be around 8 inches, and this is how I took the 10-inch square piece. So this fabric is for the back strap, which is around 12.5 inches in length and 4 inches in width, and it includes the seaming allowance. So when I attach and convert it into a mask, the total length of the total circumference of the mask will be around 16 inches. Next, here I have a cotton fabric which is 10 inches in length and 2 inches in width, that becomes the top support. I have a netted fabric that is around 10 inches in length and 2.5 inches in width, including 0.5 as a seaming allowance on both sides. I have a 8.5 inch elastic and two fabrics of cotton which will be converted into string. So if you have a ready-made string or a satin ribbon available with you, you can replace this. So now let's start to make the mask. Now I have placed the netted fabric on the 10-inch square piece. I am going to fold it in such a way that the both right sides comes together and the netted fabric will be inside it. And I will stitch on the top portion so that the second side of the fabric will be sealed. So let's start our stitching. I have kept my fabric, the right side together and the knitted fabric inside. I am using a dark blue thread so that it will be easy for you people to understand. I have stitched this side. Now I am going to flip it over so the right side will come outside. So this is how it looks like. You can make a stitch over here, and at this point, if you want, you can add a third layer and you can just keep it inside this pocket. It will be like this. So you can keep a third layer if you wish to, but since this is for small kids, I am not keeping a third layer. I am just giving this two layers as a protection. Now this is done. Next I am going to add the top layer. I am going to stitch over this side and then flip it so that a band will form on the top. I have stitched this side. I am going to flip this and make the band like this. So the front side will come together and the wrong side will be inside. Now my front side is finished. I am going to interlock both sides and fold it 1 inch so that the strings can be passed. So this is how I am going to stitch it. I have made a space for the strings to pass on, and this is a bit too big so that I can attach the back straps on the same area. So this is the fabric for the back side. I am going to fold this and stitch. Also from the top side I am going to stitch in such a way that my elastic will go through it. So I have stitched the back side. This is how I have stitched. I have covered both sides and I have made a small space through which my elastic will go on, and I will stitch over the elastic at least once. I have inserted the elastic. Now I am going to stitch both sides, keeping the elastic and over the elastic so that the elastic will remain straight. I have finished my back part. I have stitched once over the elastic. If you wish to, you can fold the down and insert the elastic. So now I'm going to attach the back side to the front side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the back side underneath the front, and I'm going to stitch on the top area and the bottom area, keeping the remaining area unstitched so that the ear of the baby will come out. I have finished attaching the back side. I have attached the top and the bottom part on both sides and left the remaining, the middle portion like that, so that the ears will come out. So this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to make two strings and I will pass the strings through the area which I have left for the strings. I have finished my strings. I am going to insert those strings through the mask and I will show how the mask looks like. So this is how the mask look like. You can pull the strings so that you can easily tie it back. Just untie the down string and pull it onto the top so that even without removing the mask from the baby's face, you will be able to show the baby's face to the doctor for consultation. I hope you liked the video. For more such easy ideas, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share this video with everyone. Thank you.